Students, let's go ahead and see the types of brackets and how to solve it. See, in the bodmas rule, BODMAS, the very first function or the very first operation which we have to deal with is brackets. Now there are various types of brackets which children get often confused about, which bracket to take first and which to do it later. So I'll tell you the order of it, okay? See, this is the line bracket which you call it a vinculum. Next to it to solve is small bracket. Next comes the curly bracket and finally the square bracket. I'll give you an example to make things very clear. 30 minus the square bracket 26 minus curly bracket 15 plus small bracket 8 vinculum and finally close. Now very first is the vinculum, so you have to deal with the vinculum thing, okay? So this becomes 30 minus 26 minus, let's solve the vinculum. 6 minus 3. See, this vinculum is not for minus, okay? It is 6 minus 3, so this will become 3. Close it. So this vinculum thing is done. Now let's come to the small bracket, okay? Now this small bracket is what? 8 minus 3. 30, I think it is visible. 30 minus 26 minus 15 plus 5. Okay, now this one is also done. Curly bracket task is also done. Let's come to the curly, this one. Sorry, small bracket is done, now curly bracket. Okay, 30 minus 26 minus 15 plus 5 is 20. Now this curly bracket thing is also removed. Now the finally we have is the square bracket or the box bracket which you call it. This becomes 30 minus, what is 26 minus 20? 6. So your answer is, final answer is 24. Let's go ahead with some more examples like these. For example, we have 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3, and this is this has a vinculum. Okay, now let's go ahead with the vinculum thing first. This, okay, so 2 minus 3 minus, write all this as it is till minus. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. Vinculum bracket done. What comes after vinculum? Small bracket. 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1 is 4. Small bracket also solved. Now comes curly bracket. 2 minus 3 minus, what is 6 minus 4? 2. Come on, finished with this also. Now finally we have a box bracket. 2 minus, what is 3 minus 1? 1. So your final answer is 1. I'll give you one more example like this. (30 plus minus 2 into 25 minus 13 minus 3, and this comes in vinculum. 30 plus, first of all let's solve the vinculum. Minus 2 into 25 minus, what is 13 minus 3? 10. Wait, I forgot to put this. Yes. Finished with the vinculum bracket. Let's go ahead with the small bracket. 30 plus minus 2 multiplied by, what is 25 minus 10? 15. Small bracket also finished. Let's go ahead with the next one. 30 plus minus 2 into 15. Curly bracket will be done. minus 30. Finally, we have, and plus minus is minus sign, okay. Now again plus minus, minus, what is 30 minus 30 is 0. The answer is 0.